Alright guys, and this is the rematch that I've been looking forward to. My 2012 Evo 10 GSR with a big turbo now against a 2019 Mustang GT 6-speed manual transmission, and this one is mostly stock. I will link my other videos where I lost to this exact Mustang with full bolt-on tune with the stock turbo down in the description below. With the full bolt-on setup, I made around 320 or 330 to the wheel, and man, I did not stand a chance against this Mustang at all. So in this video, hopefully I can at least keep up with the Mustang, you know. So a quick rundown on what's been done to the Evo 10. Still running the stock motor, stock clutch, and drivetrain. It is sitting at 88,000 miles right now. So I am running a ETS T4 twin scroll turbo kit with precision 6266 turbo, and also dual external wastegate setup with all the other support mods. So big intercooler, big injector, and fuel pump. And yeah, pretty basic. It's tuned on 91 octane, pushing 24 pounds of boost, and it is making roughly 460 to the wheel at 7,500 RPM. So I do really have to wrap this thing all the way up. As for the Mustang, it only has an intake and ECU flash, but man, this thing is super quick. A completely stock Mustang GT makes around 430 to the wheel, but this one does have an intake and ECU flash, so I'm thinking it's probably making a little bit more, but yeah, I think this will be a good run for sure. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and get to the clip. Let's go. Got the Evo back in the garage. So guys, it just doesn't have enough power to beat the Mustang just yet. I kinda knew something like this would happen, even though the car did make 466 wheel horsepower, but this is all the way at 7500 RPM. If you were to look at my dyno graph, from 5500 RPM all the way to 700 RPM, I'm only making around the 420, but it is just the last 500 RPM that it jumped from 420 to 466, and that is just too fast. Plus, I would have to ship ready at that time. So the car spent most of its time in the lower RPM, and it is not making nearly close to that 466. So yeah, and if I were to brake boost, I think it would have been a closer race, but maybe next time. Overall, both cars did great and we had lots of fun. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace out.